Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 7th. I, Sheikh Khurshid, teacher UPS Mahod Pala Zone Bawar District Kupara, welcome you back once again. तो हम जो पढ़ रहे हैं, we were reading this short story, first short story, 3 questions. So we have completed this lesson and let me explain the meaning of questions. So turn to question answer portion of your textbook. तो टैठो बचो ऑलरेडी त्रे में इम तक ग्रुप्स मज यम क्वेश्चन तो कम्युनिटी क्लास में समझो में अलबत् थोड़ा सा ये वीडियो बनाव फॉरवर्ड करने मूजूब तो वन बी रिविजन इम इन क्वेश्चन तो वन तुम मीनिंग इन क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट व्हाट आर द 3 क्वेश्चंस इन द स्टोरी 3 क्वेश्चंस क्या है स्टोरी में व्हाट आर द 3 क्वेश्चंस 3 सवाल क्या क्या है व्हाट इज द राइट टाइम to begin something, who are the most important people, and what is the most important work to do. These were the 3 questions. Question number 2, why did the king want to seek answers to these 3 questions? Why? What was the need to know answers of these 3 questions? The king answer that is simple. The king wanted to know answers of these questions because if he believed that if he knew answers of these questions he would never fail. Question 3, why was the king advised to go to the magicians? Magician nish kings जादूगर निश कैज why? तो मैंने ऑलरेडी भेज दिया है मैं सोचमो तुम शॉर्ट आंसर ग्रुपस मज तुम बूझो अमुक माने वो that was reason ये चीज़ की because some people believed that if the king wanted to know answers of these questions then he has to look into the future and only the magicians can say what will happen tomorrow, what will happen the next year. मतलब इसलिए उन किसी भी जादूगर निश गसन क्या ब्रोकन क्या गए पगह क्या गए फ्यूचरस मज क्या गए यह एक चीज़ आसी पता सह मैजिशियनस तो सिंपल कर मे सोचमुत सिंपल answer अमुक तह ग्रुप्स मज. Question number 4, was the king satisfied with the answers of the wise man? यह दाना नफर यम दाना नफर इन हंद जवाब सतन गोवा ना. The king was not satisfied with answers of wise men. Wise men यह wise man कि गया wise man युस hermit ना ये wise man यह तिमन wise man कुन कर रेफर यम जन वारिया दाना लूक यम सिंदिस किंगडमस मज यमो यमस जवाब वे इन सवालन ना तमन निश गो न satisfy कहीं. The king was not answered with the answers of wise men. Why? Because their answers were too different. तम अक कंट्राडिक्ट गसान तम वारिया डिफरेंट कह वन अक सवाल जवाब कह वन ब्या कह वन मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट लोग आर्मी सम पीपल सैड most important people are teachers, some people said your council of ministers, some people said doctors. अलग अलग जवाब इसलिए हेकान यह बादशाह वो सेटिस्फाई कहें थे. Then there is next question. Using question number 5, how did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? यमो कित पे कर तमिस wounded नफरस मदद किंगन तो बे यम किम बादशाहन तो बे यूजन इमस यह हर्मिट यमो एक ही तो हावान कित पे कर इमस यमो कित पे कर मदद. दे वाशड दे बैंडेजड हिज वूंड बे क्या कर बे दिथास बे दितनस किंगन तो हर्मिटन इमस दे गिव हिम फ्रेश वाटर टू ड्रिंक पत तुलक त्रो बिस्तरस पे आराम करनोक अंदर. ठीक छा. This is the way how this king and hermit helped him. ठीक. Then there is question number 6. Who was the bearded man? Why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? Oskusi bearded man. Who was he? Who was this bearded man? How and why did he seek the king's forgiveness? Im kez mujinus mufi badshahs im kez munas. Yukus the bearded man was a person. Kus was he? He was the person who swore to take revenge. Why? He was kasam khamot ki beham badla badshah, because the king had killed his brother and he has seized his property and other things. Tim asan kormut imus ye imsus property zabad asan karmut be asan imsus bor mormut to mafi chusi imuju manga, because this person came to kill the king, and instead in return this king, he saved his life. Im bacho imsun zindagi ims nafrsun tawai mung imus mafi to yoch waja mafi. Question number 7: how did the king show his forgiveness? Badshah kit put ho forgiveness, kit put ho imus ki message kur mein se maaf, how, कैसे, कित पढ़? शाबाश, मैंने आपको अभी बताया ये, तो इसका जो जवाब है मैंने ऑलरेडी ग्रुप में भी भेजा है. तो सुकोरिम इत पढ़, the king wished to send his servants and doctor to look after that person, and he promised him that he will return return his property back. Bonus na team ko ye cheez ki bas adi main pani property back the base was, and I will send my servants, I will send my doctors who will look after you, yimse khayal thane to taiki se gasa theek. तो इत पे कोर इमस ये चीज़ कि इत पे ऐसा लगा पता है कि इम कोर इमस माफ. इससे हमें पता लगता है, दिस शोज दैट द किंग हैड फॉरगिवन दिस बियर्डेड मैन. तो तम पे लास्ट सवाल, व्हाट आंसर्स डिड द हर्मिट गिव टू द 3 क्वेश्चंस. सारे खुद अहम यह जन असली लेसन कि तम 3 सवालों हूँ जवाब, व्हाट were the answers of these 3 questions. The yimzan that finally this king received from this hermit. The iman jawab cho what the hermit replied. Usne kya jawab diya? He told the king that the most important time is the time you are at a particular moment. That is now. Wichinuk waqt. Particular moment yim satum tu asan shu. Suppose I am delivering this lesson. Suppose this is the most important time for me. You are reading, you are watching this video. This is the most important time for you, for the people who are watching this video. So there is no specific important time. It is the particular time. You are at a particular moment, that is now. Now is the most important time. And who are the people who are most important? The people with whom you are at that particular moment. The people with whom you are now. You are with now. जैसे इस वक्त आप मेरे साथ हो. You are the people who are watching this video. And for me, the people who are watching this video, who are listening me, and for you whom you are listening, आप मुझे सुन रहे हो, I am the most important person for you, and for me you are the most important person who are watching me, who are listening me. This is the answer. And what is the answer of third question? What is the most important work to do? Most important work is to do good with that person with whom you are at a particular moment, that is with whom you are now. जिसके साथ आप इस वक्त हो, उसके साथ अच्छा करना. To do good with him is the most important work. To do justice with your work. To do मतलब असल नियत सान, असल खुशी खुशी कहाँ सो काम करें, सो छ आसान सारे खुद युजन अहम काम छ आसान. लिहाजा न कर गई यमन क्वेश्चनन हैं गई यम आंसर्स. These are the answers of these 8 questions. And जो इसका ग्रामर वर्क है, I have already explained you. I cannot explain this grammar work because the video will stretch too long. तो इसलिए मैं नहीं कह सकता हूँ, मैं आपको इसमें नहीं बता सकता हूँ. तो मे बी इंशाल्लाह next time I will try to explain you these things in next videos. Thank you very much. Keep washing your hands, sanitize your hands, maintain social distance, and always wear mask. Thank you. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz. Wish you a happy Jumatul Wida. Thank you very much.